55,000 tech workers laid off this year. March isn't even over. Meta cutting 20%. EA gutted studios after Battlefield 6 broke records. AI is eating jobs. But not everyone equally. If you work alone, you might be exactly who survives. A job that used to make sense. Project manager. Coordinate 12 engineers, 3 designers, 1 product lead. Schedule stand-ups. Run sprints. Write status updates nobody reads. Your entire job is coordination. The nervous system connecting people who could talk to each other but won't. Companies assume humans need constant alignment. You send 47 Slack messages a day. 62% of your time is work about work, not actual work. Now imagine AI doing all of that. It reads the code base, knows what's blocked, drafts updates, reschedules meetings, sends follow-ups. It doesn't get tired, doesn't need a one-on-one. This is happening now. OpenAI just told the company ChatGPT must become a productivity tool. Turn 900 million users into high-compute productivity users. AI that does your job. When AI handles coordination, people whose value was coordination become optional. 3 layers to knowledge work: creation, coordination, communication. AI eliminates the middle. Software engineering old model. 8 engineers, PM, sprints. New model. 1 or 2 seniors with AI agents. Write architecture, AI implements, you review, AI tests. Shopify CEO said they won't hire for any role AI can do. That's validation for solo builders. Content creation used to require a team. Writer, editor, designer, social manager, video editor. Now 1 person with AI produces more than that entire team. Consulting used to be a social sport. Cold outreach, networking, the dreaded let's grab coffee. Now AI handles outreach, drafts proposals, follows up. The value isn't schmoozing, it's expertise. Quiet, deep knowledge AI can't replicate. 55,000 layoffs cluster in coordination roles. Project management, middle management, QA, DevRel, internal comms. The creation layer, builders, is largely untouched. For years, introverts were told to network more, speak up, be visible. AI flipped that. The valuable skill is sitting alone with a problem, and AI tools, emerging with a solution. Solo AI businesses grew 47% year over year. But AI doesn't replace taste, judgment, or knowing which problem matters. The introvert advantage isn't antisocial. It's selective, using energy where it counts. AI handles everything else. Watching colleagues lose jobs isn't celebratory. The response is gratitude plus preparation, not smugness. You don't have to change who you are. The world reorganized around how you already work. Quiet, focused, deep. 1 person with the right tools, building something real. That's already happening. Fastest for people who never wanted to attend the meeting. Subscribe for the signal. I'll be here, quietly.